Hello everyone, welcome back. After a lot of research, I came across one of the cheapest branded 3.1 soundbar. The model name is Panasonic HTB688. It has total power output of 300 watt, supports 3.1 surround system. It also has Bluetooth capabilities and wireless connection to subwoofer. That means you can place subwoofer anywhere in the room. I placed an order through online website and this is the box I received. As you can see that the box looks very big. I did the unboxing myself. After opening the box, I removed all the packaging. I could see a remote, a booklet, wall mounting kit, a soundbar and a subwoofer. To my disappointment, there was no HDMI cable in it. The soundbar is carbon black in color with matte finishing covering on the front. It's sleek in design and looks stylish. The size is perfect for up to 55-inch TV and would fit easily below your TV. If your TV is wall mounted, then you can use these clamps to hang it on the wall. Only two input ports in soundbar, one is HDMI and another is optical. There is a USB port but it's only for servicing purpose. If we talk about subwoofer, this is in black finish and has no ports on the back. There's only one switch to reset if your subwoofer is not connecting with the soundbar. Connections are easy. You can either use optical cable or HDMI cable from your TV to connect to the bar. It would also need it to be connected to a power source. Okay, let's test this soundbar now. This is the remote we received with the soundbar. As you can see, the buttons are self-explanatory, and the good thing about the remote is it came with the battery, so you don't need to buy from the market. So we have different switches here. This is for on off. So just now I press this, so it's now off. Turn it on. So it's turning on. So all LED will glow. And now it will change to the last set mode. So right now it has gone back to music, which was my previous mode. And now my input is HDMI. I can change the input from here. So this is the input. So if I press it here, goes to optical and then again Bluetooth pairing. That's also possible. The subwoofer does not require any connection except the power. Once you turn it on, it would pair automatically with the soundbar. As this is a wireless subwoofer, so you can keep it anywhere in the room. I placed it close to 15 feet away from the soundbar and it still worked. Let's watch one movie trailer. So right now it's on the music. I'll change to cinema. So now cinema and surround both are active.
At the fate of all living things, Unicron is coming.
Back up!
Oh, I thought you were bored.
So when you watch TV with the soundbar, you can hear the difference clearly. The quality of sound gets improved significantly. Let's watch the same trailer on TV audio.
Way bigger than a planet.
Let's watch again on the soundbar.
Bigger than a planet. In the end.
If you want to pair your mobile phone with this soundbar, so there are a couple of ways. One is you can use this button pairing switch here on the soundbar, or also you can use this remote where you got this pairing option here. We have done number of tests here and you can hear the difference by yourself. The performance of this soundbar is good for the price we are paying for. Now let's talk about few limitations of this soundbar. First one is there is no mobile application to control this soundbar, which also makes it difficult to change the modes. For example, if you're changing the modes, then you don't see anything on the TV screen. You wouldn't know which mode it is currently set to. And initially, you may have to check in person what is the current mode selected. Or you may have to stand up to see which LED is blinking. Another limitation is when we are changing the sound mode, then it gets muted for a second. Then only it will change to the next mode. That also very annoying. There are few advanced settings given in the booklet, but when I tried to apply those settings, it didn't work. From my point of view, after using this soundbar, I could definitely hear the difference in dialogue clarity and also movie watching experience. However, this is a low price soundbar and it's good as compared to TV, but not that good, which changes the whole TV watching experience. So if you're looking for a better TV experience and okay to spend few more $100, then you should go for market leaders like Samsung, LG or Bose. That's it from my side. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.